ACC की SSB डेट्स अलॉट हो चुकी हैं। LDC, SCO एंड PCSL की SSB डेट्स जल्दी अलॉट हो जाएंगी। अगर आप एक सर्विस कैंडिडेट हैं जो अपने आने वाली SSB इंटरव्यूज़ की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, बीट ऑफ ACC, SCO, PCSL और LDC और एटसेट्रा, देन देयर इज़ अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर यू। वी रिस्पेक्ट द सर्विस दैट यू आर प्रोवाइडिंग टू द नेशन, और हम समझते हैं कि आपको SSB इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन के लिए बहुत टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है, और जितना भी टाइम आपको मिलता है, अगर उस टाइम को आप डेडिकेटेडली प्रिपरेशन में लगाते हैं अपनी SSB इंटरव्यू की, देन आपको इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट्स मिल सकते हैं। बट इट्स नॉट ईजी, क्योंकि यू हैव टू वर्क इन मैनी की एरियाज, बी इट इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन पार्ट, नॉलेज पार्ट, एक्सप्रेशन पार्ट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स द कॉन्फिडेंस पार्ट टू गेट रिकमेंडेड इन योर अपकमिंग एग्जाम। एंड वी नो, अगर आप SSB इंटरव्यू की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, देन यू आर पैशनेट टू बिकम एन ऑफिसर। जस्ट आपको तगड़ी प्रिपरेशन चाहिए विद रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस। एंड द गुड न्यूज़ इज टारगेट डिफेंस फोर्सेज इज प्रोवाइडिंग यू अ डेली प्रैक्टिस प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर SSB इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन टिल योर SSB, बोथ ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन। हमारे डेली प्रैक्टिस प्लेटफॉर्म में आपको मौका मिलता है टू इम्प्रूव योर पर्सनैलिटी ऑन रेगुलर बेसिस, क्योंकि यहाँ पर रेगुलर लेक्चरेट्स, न्यूज़, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस आपको हेल्प करते हैं टू इम्प्रूव योर स्पोकन पार्ट, दैट टू इंग्लिश स्पोकन पार्ट, टू इम्प्रूव योर नॉलेज पार्ट। डेफिनेटली ये दोनों चीज़ आपके कॉन्फिडेंस को भी बूस्ट करते हैं। इसके अलावा आपको रेगुलर PP एंड DT सेशंस जो यहाँ प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं, वो हेल्प करते हैं टू गेट शॉर्ट स्क्रीनिंग, क्योंकि फ्रॉम टारगेट डिफेंस फोर्सेज ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन गेट्स अ स्क्रीनिंग, एंड वी आर प्राउड टू टेल यू दिस थिंग। आपके मल्टीपल मॉक इंटरव्यूज लिए जाते हैं, क्योंकि एक इंटरव्यू सफिशिएंट नहीं होता, और साथ में आपके आंसर्स को रिफाइन करने में भी हेल्प की जाती है, सो दैट यू कैन प्रेजेंट योरसेल्फ इन द बेस्ट वे पॉसिबल इन एक्चुअल SSB इंटरव्यू। आपको यहाँ प्रेजेंटेशंस की प्रैक्टिस कराई जाती है। आपको खुद प्रेजेंटेशन देनी पड़ेगी इन फ्रंट ऑफ अदर कैंडिडेट्स, जिससे आपकी हेजिटेशन रिमूव हो जाएगी और कॉन्फिडेंस दोबारा से बूस्टअप हो जाएगा। We cover all the tasks of SSB interview, and the good thing is here classes are not for 14 to 15 days, but till your SSB. And in past, many serving candidates have trusted Target Defense Forces for their preparation journey, and they have got benefited too, as many of them have got recommended. Few of them are in institutes right now who are getting trained, and many of them have got commissioned too. And we are having exceptional track records of SSB recommendations, including All India rank 1, 2, 3 multiple times. If you are a serious defense aspirant who are looking for a platform where you can practice to do SSB, then my dear friends, you are at the right place. Just provide your details in the given WhatsApp number, rest will take care of. And must watch the video till the end, क्योंकि इस वीडियो में कुछ कैंडिडेट्स ने अपना SSB प्रिपरेशन एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया है विद टारगेट डिफेंस फोर्सेस, एज दे हैव बीन द पार्ट ऑफ टारगेट डिफेंस फोर्सेस फैमिली। Here we go.
Greetings everyone. So today I will be sharing my journey with Target Defense Forces, and for sure it has been a very impactful and very helping journey. In a very confused state, I called Vivek sir and he explained everything very calmly. Because of that, I joined Target Defense Forces, and since then, every day has been a new learning, a new improvement in myself. Right from the PPDT sessions and the psychology part, the GTO part, everything is covered in a well-structured manner. You will get the information well before in time, so that we can prepare ourselves and deliver the things confidently. Also, there is the environment same as SSB that is being given. Even I am taking it online, but still I can face the heat of SSB because the crowd over here is very competitive and also very much dedicated towards armed forces. Apart from that, the regular feedbacks that are being given by Vivek sir over the interview parts, over our psychology parts are very helpful. And once we implement those, we'll get through the process of SSB. The second thing is the topics and the things that we get for our lecturates, for our GD, are as per the standards of SSB. And it is exactly same. So you can get a proper environment, and because of that, we gained a lot of confidence so that we can deliver a great performance in SSBs, and that helped a lot.
A very good morning to all my friends. My name is Karthik and today I'm going to share with you all my experience with Target Defense Forces. I'm preparing for NDA as well as TS SSB interview and I got to know about Target Defense Forces through YouTube. I got myself enrolled in it and I found it to be very beneficial and useful for me. I've found many changes in my personality and in my speaking and confidence after getting myself enrolled in it. Sir conducts daily VPDT sessions which is very useful for me as it gives the actual feel of the SSB to me. Also, with the help of daily lecturates that we have to send, there has been increase in a majority of increase in the knowledge and also in my speaking skills and vocabulary, and I found it to be very useful. Also, there is a daily GD good discussion sessions in the group and because of which it creates an atmosphere of learning among the students and I get to interact with other students and it is very useful for me for getting the actual feel of SSB and I found it to be very useful. Also, sir also conducts many mock interviews for us on the Zoom sessions and I found it to be useful as it tells me about my preparation and how much prepared I am and what are my weaknesses, and I discuss it with sir and sir tells me the ways how I can tackle it and improve them. So I would like to urge to all of my friends who are preparing for SSB interview to take guidance from sir as it would prove to be very beneficial and useful for all of them.
Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu Pandey and currently I am in the final year of engineering. I would soon be appearing for the SSB via CDS entry. My stay at Target Defense Forces has been of 2 weeks and during these 2 weeks I have improved a lot. The initiatives of Target Defense Forces like having online PPDT sessions, daily lecturates in video formats, having GDs, and at the same time providing inputs on the aspects we can improve upon has helped us, me and aspirants like me, to know their mistakes and take corrective measures so as to improve in the later part. The method with which Vivek sir passes on the message about the aspects we can improve upon and at the same time providing a detailed map on the steps to be taken on how to improve upon those aspects makes things easier and provides us with zeal and enthusiasm to work upon that. So my stay has been quite nice and I am looking forward to learning more from the experience of Vivek sir and do well in my SSB with help from Target Defense Forces.
My name is Shaurya Pratap and I'm here to tell you about my experience with Target Defense Forces. I've been working with Target Defense Forces and with Vivek sir for the past 7 to 8 days now, and it's been quite a beautiful journey. I've been training for a TES 44 and NDA 145 as well as NDA 146, and I would like to share my experience. First of all, the thing I've noticed here is that they'll not let you sit idle. They'll give you time to time work. They'll ask you for assignments, lecturates, journal discussions, and even PPDT sessions, video call for PPDT sessions, which really helps you to improve and find out your weaknesses. Vivek sir also helps us to tell us how to prepare better as well as how to narrate our story within the given time period. So yes, I agree that I have seen some sort of changes in myself in the past 7 days, and I am looking forward to continue my preparation with Target Defense Forces.
Hello everyone, my name is Karan Singh and recently I have cleared the written examination of CDS and FCAT 1 2020. Now I am preparing for my SSB. Today I am going to share my experience and the skills that I have learned from Target Defense Forces under the guidance of Vivek Pandey sir. As we all know that SSB is a personality based test, and here Vivek sir help us to develop those personality traits in ourselves. Let us first talk about the psychological tasks such as TAT, WAT, SRT and ST. Here Vivek sir gives us telephonic classes personally on daily basis that improves our thinking ability so that we can write a logical and practical story around the picture as well as logical TAT and WAT. And now talk about the group discussion. So we have a WhatsApp group of dedicated candidates in which every day we discuss social and current issues. And the best part is that only those candidates are allowed to participate in GD who gives their lecturate in the form of video in the group on daily basis. Now come to the interview part. Vivek sir conduct our mock interview over telephonic classes on a daily basis, and it really feels like real SSB. Vivek sir teach us how to tackle rapid fire questions in interview and give us how we can handle those questions that comes in the interview in SSB. Finally, I'd like to say that I have benefited a lot in the guidance of Vivek Pandey sir in the Target Defense Forces, and I really feel change in myself here.